Now we will take this chapter forward, and today we will discuss in this video about electric potential. Yes, it is necessary to talk about electric potential, but in my view it is very important what is the use of electric potential. So आइए इस वीडियो में हम इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल और उसकी रिक्वायरमेंट के रिगार्डिंग बात करेंगे. सो नाउ वी आर गोइंग टू डिस्कस ऑन इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल. इलेक्ट्रिक पोटेंशियल को समझने के लिए थोड़ा सा हेल्प लेंगे इलेक्ट्रिक चार्जेस का. वी नो दैट इलेक्ट्रिक चार्ज कैन फ्लो, यस दे कैन फ्लो इन अ वन पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन, और जब वो एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव करते हैं सो हमें देते हैं इलेक्ट्रिक करंट. इट्स क्वाइट सिंपल ना. बट डियर स्टूडेंट्स, in this nature the things are not as simple as they look. So what makes the electric charge to flow? So we can easily understand this analogy by the example of water flow. Look at here, I am going to take one water bucket A and second water bucket B. Now here I fill this water bucket B with this level, and here also I filled this water bucket at this particular level. You can see that the water level in both the buckets are same. Now I am going to connect both the water buckets with the one particular water pipe. Now you can tell me, water can flow from B to A or A to B? No, because the water level is same in both the water buckets. So first of all we have to increase water level either in B or A. So look at here, I am going to increase the water level in B. Now water can easily flow from B to A. So what happened? Water can flow due to the pressure difference. So yes, we have to generate a kind of pressure. So maybe electric charges can flow in a one particular direction. Now you may have noticed in your colony or in your home, small water tanks at home keep at certain height. तो थोड़ा सा हेल्प लेते हैं क्लास 9 से. सपोज एक पर्टिकुलर पार्टिकल को मुझे एक सर्टेन हाइट पर रखना है. सो एक सर्टेन हाइट के रिगार्डिंग एक पर्टिकुलर फॉर्मूला, इफ यू रिमेंबर, mgh, यस, ग्रेविटेशनल पोटेंशियल एनर्जी इसके अंदर स्टोर हो जाता है. व्हेन वी इंक्रीज द हाइट at that particular level and again we going to increase the height, so now again the potential energy increase. और जब इस particular pan को एक certain height से गिराया जाता है, so now this same potential energy is going to convert kinetic energy. So now potential as the example in water tank. जब हम water tank को एक certain height पर बनाते हैं, so due to this what happen, वाटर फ्लो को एक पर्टिकुलर फ्लो मिलता है ड्यू टू द हाइट डिफरेंस. सो हियर इन द इलेक्ट्रिक सर्किट, स्पेशली इन द कंडक्टर, हाउ वी मैनेज दिस डिफरेंस? लुक एट हियर, द इलेक्ट्रॉन्स मूव ओनली इफ देयर इज अ डिफरेंस ऑफ इलेक्ट्रिक प्रेशर कॉल्ड द पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस. अब ये प्रेशर क्रिएट कौन करता है? तो नाउ लुक एट हियर प्लीज. दिस डिफरेंस ऑफ पोटेंशियल मे बी प्रोड्यूस्ड बाय अ बैटरी. बैटरी इज अ कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ cells consisting of one or more electric cells. When the cell is connected to a conducting circuit elements, means metallic wire, the potential difference set the charges in motion and produces electric current. Now we are going to brief about it. Here we are going to discuss about cell. Look at here, this one is a cell. Now inside the cell there is a chemical, and inside this there is a, due to the chemical reaction, what happened, one side the accumulation of positive charge is higher, known as high potential terminal, and another side the negative charge accumulation are higher, known as negative potential terminal और लोअर पोटेंशियल टर्मिनल. नाउ जब हम इस सेल को एक पर्टिकुलर मेटलिक वायर से ज्वाइन करते हैं तो मेटलिक वायर के अंदर ऑटोमेटिकली पहले से ही कुछ फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स होते हैं जो एक पर्टिकुलर डायरेक्शन में मूव तो नहीं करते, बट नाउ व्हेन वी कनेक्ट द सेल सो दे आर ड्यू टू the pressure they are going to move in a one particular direction, and this makes electricity possible. So now here we are just talking about electric potential and its definition. Now we know that due to the cell electric pressure generates, and due to this pressure electric charge can flow in a one particular direction. Now the electric potential difference between 2 points in an electric circuit, some current has the work done to move a unit charge from one point to another. The potential difference is also denoted by V symbol. So potential difference V between 2 points is work done upon charge. Mathematically, we can also write V equals to W by Q. So now we can also understand this thing by simple example. जैसे कोई एक पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट को एक सर्टेन हाइट पे आप रखते हैं, सो लाइक दैट वे इट इज नोन एज ग्रेविटेशन पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. एक अनदर सर्टेन हाइट पे रखा, सो दैट मीन्स वी मस्ट हैव टू परफॉर्म सम वर्क डन, और यही वर्क डन एक एनर्जी के फॉर्म में स्टोर हो जाता है एंड वी कॉल्ड एज पोटेंशियल एनर्जी. लाइक सेम वे मेटलिक वायर के अंदर चार्जेस फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स थे बट वो मूव नहीं कर रहे थे, बट ड्यू टू द हेल्प ऑफ केमिकल रिएक्शन इनसाइड द सेल जो इलेक्ट्रिक प्रेशर डिफरेंस करता है, वहाँ से सारे फ्री इलेक्ट्रॉन्स उस पर्टिकुलर प्रेशर डिफरेंस के रीजन से एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट से दूसरे पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट पर मूव करते हैं एंड इट इज कॉल्ड electric potential difference. So again the electric potential difference between 2 points is a work done. किस पे हुआ? चार्जेस पे. So work done upon charge known as electric potential difference between 2 points. Now the SI unit of work done is joule, and already we know that the SI unit of Q charge is coulomb. So joule per coulomb is give us the SI unit of electric potential, which is known as volt, by the honor of great physicist scientist Alessandro Volta. Definition of 1 volt. 1 volt potential difference between 2 points in a current carrying conductor when 1 joule of work is done to move a charge of 1 coulomb from one point to the other. 1 volt equals to 1 joule per 1 coulomb. So here 1 volt will be equals to 1 joule coulomb inverse. This is a particular SI unit of electric potential. Now electric potential difference between 2 points in metallic wire or in an electric circuit measured by a particular instrument known as voltmeter. Electric potential is measured by an instrument which is known as voltmeter, and in electric circuit voltmeter join in parallel combination. Look at here, to find the pressure or potential difference here, point A to point B. So due to this measurement of potential difference, we connect voltmeter in parallel. Now we are going to talk about circuit diagrams. It is often convenient to draw a systematic diagram in which different components of the circuit are represented by the symbol conveniently. used conventional symbol used to represent some of the most commonly used electric components are given here. Like first, how to draw a systematic diagram to represent an electric cell. So here we can draw like that. Here the one particular long line is represent higher potential and the smaller one lower potential. A battery, a combination of cell, so we can draw like that. Now plug key open. When the plug key is open, so no current pass. Plug key closed means now the current are going to move. A wire joint, so we can draw like that. Now wire crossing without joining. So here like previous we can't do the joint, so here we can draw like a wire particular crossing without joining. Resistance of resistor R. What is a resistor and what is a resistance, we will talk in our next video lecture when we will discuss on Ohm's law. So please just wait. But right now we have a symbol. A resistor symbol is like that. Electric bulb we can draw like that. And a rheostat a particular variable resistance. So here we can draw like that also. A meter symbol, and the same way voltmeter symbol is like that. Now here both the topic completed. Now it is a time for numericals. Now the problem is how much energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery. So in this numerical we will calculate energy. So again we are going to solve. So first of all, setup step. So here in the question we will find energy. So energy question mark given to each coulomb of charge means here the information given about charge means the charge Q will be 1 coulomb each charge passing through a 6-volt battery, and now we know that the battery creates potential difference. So here V potential difference will be 6 volt. So right now we have any formula to calculate energy? Yes or no? Now no. What about energy? We discuss in this video lecture about energy? No. Yes, definitely no. Because from the class 9th we knew that energy and the work done are same. So that's the reason indirectly we have to calculate work done. Now any idea how to connect all this physical quantity? Definitely yes, by the definition of electric potential difference. So we know that V will be equals to W by Q, and here is a potential difference given 6 volt. We have to calculate work or energy, and the charge is 1 coulomb. So here work will be equals to 6 volt into coulomb, known as 6 joule, and we know that this particular work done is stored in the form of energy. So here energy will be equals to work done equals to 6 joule. So now 6 joule energy is given to each coulomb of charge passing through a 6-volt battery. Thank you very much for watching this video.